his hat. We got a bunch more Krabby Patties. What the hell is this, dude? Oh, he's got stashes. Move out the way. Let's go. We've got a lot of Krabby Patties.
I almost dropped my phone.
I really don't understand why I'm collecting these, but sure. Ah! Jesus Christ!
Guys, do I play?
I keep shooting him, he just disappears, so I don't know
what do I play?
What happened here?
Yesterday.
Oh no, bro, he dead.
What do I play?
Just keep finding these patties, bro.
We're gonna play Pac-Man. I don't know.
What the hell is
But wait, I think I can pay. Leave a comment which one, banana eat or midnight snack.
What the hell?
Do I play those two? You need to click through the comments. So today I'm going to play this game. Well, this looks kind of cool. I kind of already played it, but I only just got like just bought some just for to customize my. That's very loud. Everything.
How do I change to the crowbar?
Yeah.
I will.
Yeah.
It's about doing a lot of little things
Guys, I'm probably recording 2 days, and I'm gonna get my iPhone. I'm really excited because I'm gonna now play on iPhone. Record.
You were murdered.
Only 2 tabs. We're gonna play this like boost. So just because I'm really lazy right now. I'm really lazy right now. Maybe lazy. See that happy face? I became lazy. Pac-Man? I saw it. A Pac-Man. Yes. 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 Ah, I didn't know it was never there. Ah, yes. What is... Why do you not notice me? Oh, the sound is... Hey! No, Have you? Nobody has witnessed the game because then having run. Stop! Stop! Yeah, to stop. Stop. Play the game. Where are you, Emily? Where are you? I see you! I see you! Emily, I see you! Oh my God, is that you? Evelyn! That's Evelyn! Ah! Ah! Run! Run! Oh! I see your name! Hi! Come and get me! Oh no! Stop it, Evelyn! Stop it! No! I don't believe you! Ah! Oh my God! You're very close to my girl! Ah! You shut up! Yeah, I'm still it because I only have one life. Now I need to go to the next stage. Go to the little purple thing. Go to the next level. Where am I supposed to go?
I stepped outside. I thought I was going to stay from my house.
Wait, there's no more snacky things. I'm very hungry. Oh, I see Evelyn. I see her. She just went back. Is that Evelyn? Evelyn! Over here! I'm over here. You have a TV? Hi. Oh, hell no! Evan, you shut up because you don't have any stuff. Haha. Why is your eyes like that?
That's amazing, but it's not going to go so long because when it started running.
Evan, are you it? You are it! I can see you. I see you! I see you! Oh, which way do I go? We have two things to done. Emily, I don't know where you are. Hey, I see you! I see you! This is what I'm supposed to do. Hey! Don't hit me! Evan, where are you? You disappeared! You disappeared, Evelyn!
Squidward and Sandy were reported missing. Bikini Bottom police decided to raid SpongeBob's house.
Where are you?
Let's go. Alright, let's click the shoe, walk over, and press
No!
F to turn off flashlight. Let's go.
You know I'm recording? You need to act for the camera, Evelyn. Act for the camera. Yay! I won. Shut up. Shut up. You didn't win. You didn't win. Why you acting like baby, Evelyn?
Okay. We got socks. Are these SpongeBob socks?
Hey, what is that?
Can I pick these up? It said E to pick up Krabby Patty. That's definitely. Is that a Krabby Patty? Why is it green? It said
Last level, guys, no!
Die, idiot! Die! Die!
Last level, guys. This is a very small map.
SpongeBob pants on the ground.
I did a whole map.
Let's go. We got two Krabby Got it. Oh, wait, what? This is that makes sense.
No!
Pro gamer hint.
I was not even near him. And this is the last level, guys. Bye-bye.
Red room.
Bye-bye. Don't never watch this again.